Hello, I'm Mrs. Gonzalez, and I'm so excited to welcome you to our open house tonight. And I am just thrilled to be working with your student and supporting your student as well. So, what I am going to do is I am going to first of all go ahead and review our current units of study. In AP English Language and Composition, we are currently doing our civil disobedience unit, where the writing focus is on rhetorical analysis. The rhetorical analysis essay is the second essay your student will be writing during the AP English exam. After the AP English exam, we will begin and complete our final unit, which is our Fahrenheit 451 unit. If any student wants to study more for the AP exam, they can access my AP Test Prep link tree, which is available on my website. In ERWC, we are currently reading 1984 by George Orwell. And then after we are done with 1984, we will complete our final unit, which is our Ready to Launch unit, where we will look at commencement speeches, and your senior will write their own commencement speech. During this time, your senior is working every Monday on completing their ERWC final portfolio, where they reflect on themselves as readers and writers throughout their 4 years of high school. Some important dates to keep in mind for our juniors in AP English Language and Composition. SBAC testing is going to occur from April 25th through 28th. The AP English exam is scheduled for May 9th at 8 a.m. Quarter four late work, because I do have some seniors in AP English Language and Composition, so the quarter four deadline for the seniors in AP is May 12th. The quarter four work deadline for juniors in AP is May 26th, and the quarter ends on June 8th. For seniors in my ERWC classes, the quarter four late work deadline is May 12th, and as of right now, our seniors' last day on campus is May 26th. Every week, I send out a link to my link tree to keep you updated on what we are doing in our classes. I provide you this link through Parent Square, and on there you could see all of the agendas and what your student will be working on for that week. Please review, there's an open house flyer, there's printed copies. Please review the open house flyer with your students so you could take a look at my link tree for my classes. There is a link to the syllabus if you need to review that. There is the CLAB website where you could get more information on each unit. And if you'd like to contact me in order for me to answer any other questions you may have, please fill out the family contact form. If you have any questions, please email me at yadiragonzalez@fresnounified.org, or you can send me a message through Atlas Connect. It is my pleasure to work and serve in supporting your student academically and emotionally, and thank you so much for being here tonight. Bye-bye.